Hi, everybody. I'm Stephanie DeVos. I work in the corporate office, and I want to help you with Excel. Call me a nerd. I have my nerd shirt on today, but I love spreadsheets. I love figuring things out. And if you know anything about me, you also know that I love to help and try to make things go as smoothly as possible for people. So let me do that with you for Excel. My goal is to save you time so that you can get back to doing the things that you love to do. I'm working on some Excel training courses, but in the meantime, I'm going to start sending out a weekly tip of the week that you might find helpful. Let me show you a quick example of what that would look like. I'm going to share my screen and I'll show you a quick example of how to modify Excel so that it doesn't give you a headache. You can see this spreadsheet here, which is all of our salespeople in Toontown, and they're comparing our booked dollars to our budget dollars and calculating how close they are to budget. But if there's a zero, you know you can't divide by zero, and Excel is going to throw off an error. How do you get rid of that error? Let me show you. You can go up to your formula here and edit, and at the front, after the equal sign, let's just type IFERROR, which is a function in Excel, open the parenthesis, then go to the back of your formula and press a comma. And now put in the value that you want it to return if there's an error. In this case, I want it to say NA, which is text. So I have to use double quotes to put it in there. So I'm going to do a double quote, NA, whoops, do capital NA, close my double quote, close my parenthesis, and press enter. And now there's no longer an error there. It shows the NA because the formula would have been an error. So I'm going to copy this. I'll do a right click and say copy, and then highlight the rest of my column to here, and right click, paste special. And I just want to copy the formula because I don't want it to overwrite the format that I have down here, which is shaded and bold. So then I can highlight all this data. That was a shift click I did right there, and do a right click copy, right click paste, right click paste, right click paste. Right, paste. And now you can see all those errors are gone. So that's just a simple example of one of the weekly tips that I'm going to be doing. If you have something that you think could be featured in a weekly tip, let me know. But also, if you have a spreadsheet that's just giving you a massive headache, errors in it, it's too big, it's inefficient, send it to me. Let's do a Zoom conference. Let's work it out together. Go ahead and email me your questions, email me your spreadsheets, and just put Excel help in the subject line, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I look forward to working with you guys more closely, and go on, do the things that you do well. Let me help you with the things that give you trouble. Thanks. I'll see you next time.